Prime Minister, we congratulate you for your championing the Pacific Climate Action Program on behalf of the Pacific Island countries and the fervency with which you have spoken. Prime Minister Bainimarama, you have outlined in a fervent manner that we should all come together and work together. And Papua New Guinea stands ready to join you and support you in this call. So as we gather here today, PNG seeks to reiterate the importance of advancing the work of the UNFCCC and preserve the multilateral consensus for decisive action to address the underlying causes of climate change, respecting climate science while advancing the Paris Agreement. Excellencies, Honorable Prime Minister Bainimarama's fervent commitment to make COP23 a Pacific COP must compel all Pacific PCIDs and partners to work fervently together to use this opportunity of a lifetime. PNG therefore looks forward to a fruitful two-day event that incorporates a balanced package of options and issues important to PCIDs, including the call from PCIDs leaders expressed during the Oceans Breakfast event in New York. The leaders' breakfast came out with a very simple recommendation, and this is to have the agenda of this meeting here in Suva to be oriented in a roundtable format with our development partners that would focus on resource mobilization for the implementation of our NDCs. While PNG appreciates the discerning discretion of the host and the organizers in presenting the format to us as it is, we trust technical issues and the new emerging issues not directly related to our NDCs can in some way be woven into the outcomes of the New York breakfast outcomes. In conclusion, in order to genuinely represent the call from the Pacific leaders, ensuring we align ourselves with the theme Climate Action Pacific Partnership, PNG requests this gathering to consider launching a Pacific NDC initiative that will involve partners and PCIDs accelerate the implementation of NDCs in their respective countries, and this be achieved at the COP23 under the leadership of Fiji's COP23 presidency as a legacy, Prime Minister, for the Pacific and for Fiji, as it may be the only issue we shall feel we have political ownership over when we conclude tomorrow evening and leave this session. PNG thanks the people and government of Fiji for hosting this event and stands ready with Fiji once again for Fiji's leadership for successful COP23. Vinaka Wakalevu, thank you through.